In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can make money daily by uploading stock photos and taking pictures with your mobile phone. Now, the only criteria you need for this is just to have a good mobile phone you can use to take good pictures, right? Now, this will not make you millions, but if you're able to compare other source of income I'm going to be sharing with you in this channel, you are going to be making a fortune. So that's the reason you have to subscribe and join this community. So if you have not subscribed, go down right there and subscribe to this channel and join this amazing community because I drop amazing content every single week and you don't want to miss out. And if you are getting value already from this video, smash that like button. Thanks in advance. All right. Now, with this said, I'll take you to my screen and I'm going to be breaking everything down for you and sharing with you this platform and how you can go about it. So, let's jump right in. Now, if you are a creative or you are someone who loves taking photos, now you could be making some serious money from this very platform, right? Now, this platform paid you to what? To upload and take pictures. As you can see, it says get discovered, get your images global exposure, let people around the world find your work, and you get paid. As you can see, earn money every time your image are downloaded by one of our users, one of our customers, right? And in this video, I want to show you how you can make money by just putting out pictures out there, right? So the first thing you have to do is to get signed up with this very platform. So once you don't have an account, you click on sign up right here. But if you have an account already, you click on login. Now to create an account is very simple. You have to put in your first username, all right, which is your full name. You put in your full name right here, then you put in your display name or your username, that's what we call it. Yeah, then you can just put in your email right here, and you put in your password. So guys, once you have opened an account, you go straight to business. So I'm going to be walking you through the dashboard and walking you through what you have to know and what every symbol means in this dashboard. Now if you come far to this very place right now, here is the major page or the home page you are going to be seeing. Now to start any on this platform, you have to start uploading pictures, and you want to upload pictures that is up to date and pictures that is yours, right? And pictures that is very original. You don't want to copyright any pictures and upload it on this platform, right? You want to upload pictures that is yours. And if you want to upload pictures, you want to upload pictures that is catchy or that spark up reactions or that means something. You don't want to upload rather pictures that does not mean anything. All right, you want to put yourself in the customer position so that you will know what kind of pictures you want to put out there. All right, pictures that will grab attention, picture that will want people to click. Now this is the dashboard right now. This is the home button. As you can see, here is the home button. Now if you look at the top right corner, the first thing you're going to be seeing is a download icon right there. The download icon is showing 0 right here, meaning that I have not have any download, right? It's a new account, so therefore I have $0 right here in my dashboard, right? So any download I have, I'll be credited and my earnings will start piling up, right? The next thing right here on the home page is your any dashboard. So if you click on your any dashboard, you're going to be accessing your any dashboard. As you can see, there's no earnings right here because I have not started uploading image. Now the next one behind the earnings is the download icon, right? As you can see right now, the download icon is showing 0 because I have not uploaded any pictures. Upload is 0, pending is 0, reviewed is 0. Now the last one right here is your profile, all right, where you have access to your normal portfolio and your profile. And as you can see right now, my portfolio is 0 image. My portfolio right here is 0 image, right? 0 published sets, and payment notification is also there. And you can also partake on the referral program right here by referring and inviting your friends. So this is just the dashboard, and you can also follow them on social media platform. So this is just the walkthrough of the dashboard. Now to start uploading pictures on this very platform is very simple, so that you start making money from this platform. This can be one of the best side hustles you can start doing, and you can start making money for yourself. If you click on this start here right now, you can just go to your gallery and you start uploading pictures right here. I'm going to click on allow so that I'll be able to access my gallery. So I will click on my camera right here, then I will go ahead and I'm going to take a picture of this very perfume. I'm going to use it as a case study. So I'll just click on OK, then I'm going to upload it. As you can see, it's on queue and it's already uploading, right? So let's wait for it to upload. It's loading up. So I just upload my first image right now. And the first thing to do is you have to optimize your image, right? So that you can describe what the image is all about, all right? Then I'll just put in keywords. Now you can put up to 7 keywords. Now keywords are like search phase. So you want to describe this image by giving it keywords so that people searching for it can know what they want. As you can see, these are suggested keywords right now: horticulture, aluminium, art, and all of that. So I'll just go ahead and put in some keywords right here that describe what I'm selling. I'll put in body spray. As you can see, body spray, brand. I will just put in Christmas. Christmas is coming. People will want body spray or something. You understand? It's just, yeah. So okay, put in beauty. What again? Okay, there's beauty here. So I believe this is okay. I'll click on let's add one bottle, right? Because it looked like a bottle. So this for your tutorial purpose, all right? If I want to upload, I would upload something like this. I want to upload something else, but I'm just doing this for tutorial purpose so that you will know what how to upload your image and optimize it. Then you put in category. You want to select a category of what you are putting out there. So I'll just put in art or art. Yeah, art describe what I'm doing. Okay, let me just put in art. Art is okay. All right, click on done. Then the next thing right here is additional information you want to put in. You want to put in additional information. You just have to select what to select. Then you can put in releases if you want to put in releases, right? You have no save releases. You cancel this. Then, guys, I believe this is done. What you have to do next is to click on submit. Okay. They say my description must be at least 5 words, right? Okay. A bottle of fragrance, a beautiful, a beautiful bottle of sweet flower fragrance. Let me just make it longer. Understand? Click over, click on submit. As you can see, submission successful, right? Media has been sent for review. You can now review it. You can now review it in the pending tab. So guys, we have already uploaded our pictures. As you can see, it's already on the pending tab right here, waiting for review. As you can see right now, your image will be reviewed in 5 days. So once it's live, your image will be on the review section right here, and it will be on the upload section, and you start making money from this image if anyone download it. So guys, I believe this was a total breakdown and a deep tutorial on how you can make money by taking pictures and uploading stock photos. I know you might be asking, what's the name of this app and where can I get this app? Now, the name of this app is called Shutterstock Contributor. You can get it on Play Store and you can get it on App Store, right? It's available on Android and iPhone, right? As you can see, get insight you need, master your craft. If you come over to this very review icon, you can see this app has over 200,000 plus, which is 257,000 reviews, and the reviews is over 4.3 star, which is 5 stars and 4 star majorly, to tell you that this app is really paying and you want to start making money from it. As you can see, I'll leave the link to download this app in the description of below in the description below, so go ahead, download it and start making money for yourself. And I believe you got value from this video. If you do, smash that like button and of course subscribe so that you have access to more of my videos in the future. So with that said, I'll see you around. Bye for now. So guys, this is it for the video. I believe you find value. So with this method, you can make some good money by just taking pictures and uploading stock photos on this very platform, right? Now, this is one of the ways you can make money. I have several ways you can learn how to build a business on the internet, and I have a playlist on that. Now, I'll be leaving the playlist around this very corner. Access that playlist to more ways you can make money, and don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel for more amazing content. With that said, thanks again for watching, and I'm going to be seeing you in this video right here. Bye for now.